So I'm gonna be taking this Daiso stick by KVD Beauty, and I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelid and a little bit upwards towards my crease. As you guys can see, I've applied a little bit of tape at the end of my eye because I want this look to be very sharp. I love this eyeshadow stick. It literally melts into your skin and it's so beautiful. Next, I'm going to be using this Mulac palette. It's their brand new eyeshadow palette. It's so beautiful, and I'm going to be taking this shade called Recovery and apply it right on top of the shadow stick that we used at the beginning. All I'm doing is just intensifying this color. I want this eyeshadow look to be very glittery. With the tattoo liner by KVD, I'm going to be doing a kind of a wing liner but above the crease. So what you want to do is apply it at the outer corner just as a normal wing liner, and I'm gonna go and kind of connect it towards the crease. For my teardrop and brow bone, I'm gonna be using this shade called Glamax, and I'm just taking a little fluffy brush to apply this. For mascara, I'm going to be taking Lash Freak by Urban Decay and apply it on my top and bottom lashes. And I'm also going to be using some Ardell falsies for this look. So I'm going to start sketching out the Santa. So I'm going to begin by doing his body. So what I'm going to be doing first, I'm going to be drawing sort of like a square shape. And then I'm gonna try to connect those two together so I can make the belt. And now, as you guys can see, I switched to a nude pencil. Reason being is because I was making too many mistakes while I was doing the legs. So I recommend doing the whole Santa with a nude pencil because it's easier to erase and go over with. Taking this red liquid lipstick, I'm going to paint the Santa. So I'm going to do the body and the legs using a lip brush. It's so important that you guys use a lip brush because it's so much better to manage where you're painting. So always use a small lip brush for this part. So now I'm moving on to the boots, and I'm using the tattoo liner for this. I love this liner because it gives me a good precision, and you can totally use a brush, but I just feel like the liner gives you more, like a more precise application. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking a white face paint to fill this in, and I'm using a liner brush for this step. And I'm also going to be coloring in at the end of his pants with a little bit of white on both sides. So now I'm going to be doing the belt using the tattoo liner again. And as you guys can see, I'm not going too deeply into it. I'm just drawing it in first to see if I like the shape. And then I'm going to go ahead and intensify it and fill it in with more black liner. And for the buckle, I'm going to take a golden glitter to put it with a liner brush. So at this point, I'm just intensifying the black shade using the liner again. I'm just going over the belt, and I'm going over the boots as well. I'm just making sure that everything is colored in and there's no empty gaps. So I wanted to make this Santa's outfit a little bit more realistic, and I went ahead and applied some cotton to my brow. Before this, I applied a little bit of lash glue, and I waited a little bit until it was tacky. And I'm also going to apply it right there at the end of the shirt to make it more realistic. And finally, I'm going to make the chimney. All I did was make a rectangular shape with my black liner, and I'm filling it in with a brow pomade that I have. This is in dark brown shade. And now I'm going to go ahead and make the bricks. You don't have to do this exactly like me. You can make the bricks as separated or as big or as small as you want to. And then I'm going to go ahead and color some bricks with a deep red brown. So this is the finished look. I had so much fun creating this. Like always, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.